All right. Possible road of peak to peak, 2025 A-loop from the top of Blue Grouse back down to Aspen parking lot. Awesome corn.
Now 3 monkeys sit in a coconut tree, discussing things as they are said to be. Said one monkey to the other, now listen you two, there's a certain rumor that can't be true. That man descended from a noble race. The very idea is a big disgrace. No monkey ever journeyed his wife, starved his babies, and ruined her life. Yeah, the monkey speaks his mind. And you never known a mother monk to leave her babies with others to bunk, or pass them on from one to another until they hardly know their own mother. Yeah, the monkey speaks his mind. Yeah. And another thing you'll never see, a monkey build a fence around a coconut tree and let the coconuts go to waste.
There's a bear right there.